Hello, Zero, the whole world again. It's Landile here, the leader and the instructor of Maniqua School. To be honest, you guys, now mosquitoes they starting to get on my way. Seems like I'm gonna have to make this my last video now that it's getting darker. Okay, it's already dark to be honest. Okay, so let's see what is required of me. We're doing number 10, you guys. Again, in case you forgot, or maybe you didn't know, this is our textbook right here. Oops. This is our textbook right here. You can do internet surfing to find yourself your own copy, okay? That's it for. Gotta scroll down a little bit in order to get to the problem on hand. Okay, one way to find out the last digit of a number is to mod the number by 10. Write a program that asks the user to enter a power, then find the last digit of 2 raised to that power. Okay. Let me do that without any waste of time. First things first. I don't feel like I properly understood the problem here. One way to find out the last digit of a number is to mod the number by 10. Write a program that asks the user to enter a power, then find the last digit of 2 raised to that power. Okay, let's first retrieve the power. These mosquitoes, they really getting on my way now. Enter power. Now answer is gonna be power is gonna be 2 to the exponent of power. Okay, it's gonna be 2 to the exponent of power, right? It's gonna be 2 to the exponent. That's not my answer, it's actually my number. That is actually my number. My number is 2 to the exponent of that. Now last digit is what? Is number mod 10. Okay, let me start printing now. Power is given by power. Really? Is it because of these mosquitoes or what? I seem to have hard time typing now. Number. Now print. Last digit. Not digits, digits. I wanna save this a little bit different because it is already called 10A. I'm gonna have to go 10. You know what? Let me just give out only a single solution for the sake of avoiding confusion. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's try 58. Number is 2 to the... Really? Something has got to be wrong here. 2 to the exponent of... You have got to be kidding me. Oh, it's 2 to the exponent of power, and power is 58. That is probably the answer, to be honest. Okay, you know what, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Let's try 6. At least I know 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Okay, that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers.